Our next conversation will be with the next big tournament coming our way. We've got some IPL champions here, and so our next conversation will be with the IPL champions. We'll just organize these chairs in because we've got 4 people coming up. Can I call them up on stage already? You heard so much of him in recent times. He's going to look at people and he say, am I the OG already, given that I started so long back? Sanju Samson. Was it 2013? Your first game? Because the other guys are going to come up, are going to look at you and say, I started in 2013. We started much later. Didn't you? Hardik Pandya started, what, 2015? Come along, Hardik. I think we're getting younger and younger, younger and younger. Abhishek? Come along. So we've got so many generations represented. I think we'll move this chair there. And then I'll sit in the corner here. And we've got someone even younger than all of you who played the IPL last year. It's okay, it's not a bat, it's only a mic. Vaibhav Suryavanshi. आओ वैभव आओ. The IPL did so much for us over the years. A young Sanju Samson back in 2013, the Royals, then Delhi Daredevils, and back with the Royals. I saw young Hardik Pandya play his first game and I thought, wow, he can play. Then Abhishek Sharma comes out, he just starts screaming deliveries for 4. And Vaibhav Suryavanshi comes in and he thinks that this game is only about hitting sixes. बेटे आपका माइक कहाँ है? ठीक है, मैं आपको देता हूँ, कोई बात नहीं, यहाँ 2 हैं, ये रख लीजिए आप. So let me ask all of you what it was like with another IPL round the corner. What was it like going out to play in your first game in the IPL? Let's start with you, Sanju. How was it? You were still such a young man, and there you are in front of all these people. What is the feeling about going out and playing in that IPL then?
Yes, sir. Hi, everyone. Great evening to everyone. Coming back to your question, sir, I think, a young boy coming from Kerala, playing few Ranji Trophy games. I think games getting over in 1.5, 2-day games. 4 दिन का मैच 2 दिन में खत्म हो जा रहा था. Under 19 खत्म हो गया था. So I'm like, okay, what else can I do? So that's when Rahul sir invited me for the trials at RR with Sri Bhai and Zubin Bharucha being there. And from there, like, life completely changed. I kind of upskilled my game. I kind of learned a lot from lot of the players in the squad, and it gave me a great opportunity to learn about the game and also how to be as a human being as well. So I think surrounded by some really special people, it really helped me to develop my game and develop myself as well. So yes, IPL was a game changer in my life.
Your first 6 in the IPL, do you remember that?
First,
you hit so many. You remember the first one?
Should be over the covers. Is it?
Against Punjab?
Yes, sir.
And the bowler was?
बहुत time हो गया sir, भूल गया.
See what happened? Did you say Manpreet Goni?
No.
Oh, okay, I don't know. The answer I was given was Manpreet Goni. So
okay, that's wrong actually.
Just shows that he hit so many sixes and he remembers all of them himself. Hardik, that first time when you went out, had you ever played in front of 40, 50,000 people before?
Not really, but I think it was very exciting, to have an opportunity at such a big stage, coming from Baroda, seeing so much love and affection for the sport, and getting the opportunity playing for Mumbai Indians was already a dream. And when I went out there, it was just enjoying every moment, watching the ball, remembering why I'm here, and I think that just helped me on that night and post onwards to my career.
Abhishek, you remember your first ball? First ball in the IPL?
Yes, I still remember. I was sitting with him only, Mohammad Siraj. I still remember my first ball was, hit a shot over mid off. I still remember my first
The
shot.
first of many.
Yes. But
Who was your captain? Do you remember?
of course, our coach, Mr. Gautam Gambhir, he was the captain, and then Shreyas was there.
आपकी पहली बॉल कहाँ गई गेंद?
बहुत दूर.
तुम ये भी पता लगा सकते हो कि तुम्हारी शादी किससे होगी, और मैं तो बोलती हूँ पता लगा ही लो भाई, ताकि फ्यूचर का समझ में तो आए। और इसके लिए ना तुम्हें कुछ भी नहीं करना है, बस एस्ट्रोलॉजर के पास जाना है, अपनी डेट ऑफ बर्थ शेयर करनी है, और वो तुम्हारी पूरी कुंडली खोल के रख देगा, तुम्हें सब बता देगा कि तुम्हारी शादी किससे होगी।
सर LSG के अगेंस्ट मेरा डेब्यू हुआ था, तो फर्स्ट बॉल पे मैंने ओवर कवर्स मारा था छक्का। तो
और आपके कोच जो थे वो यहाँ बैठे हैं, वो खुद डेढ़ दिन बैटिंग करते थे। एक दो ऐसे नहीं, 1.5 दिन बैटिंग करते थे, कभी कभी 2 दिन बैटिंग करते थे। उनसे